My name is Cosplay, and today I'm going to show you how I made the sparkly bodice for my Hanon cosplay from Mermaid Melody. Let's dive in! For the bodice, I'll be using Simplicity S9576. We're going to cut out our lining pieces first using this broadcloth. Next, give your lining pieces a good pressing. With the same pattern, cut out your fashion pieces. I'll be using some matte satin. Give your fashion pieces a good pressing before pressing them with interfacing. Once that's done, we'll get to sewing. With right sides together, stitch the front bodice pieces together. Stitch the back bodice pieces together. Now stitch your front and back bodice pieces together. Give your seams a good pressing. Now we're going to repeat everything we just did for our lining pieces. Now with right sides together, we're going to baste our fashion and lining layers together at the top and bottom. Next, you need to take your invisible separating zipper and baste it to your fashion layer. Slip stitch the lining to your zipper. Using the leftover material from Hanon's top skirt, we're going to make some binding with the bias tape maker. Because this is shiny performance spandex, do not press this material at all. Pin your binding into place and stitch one side of it to your bodice. Slip stitch the other side of the binding to your lining. Next, cut out 4 long strips of organza. Press your strips. Overlock stitch 2 of the strips together at the ends. Start hemming. Overlock stitch again. Make your long gathering stitches, then gently pull your strings to create your ruffles. Once both ruffles are done, pin your gathered ruffles to the bodice and begin hand stitching them into place. Lastly, for an extra sparkly touch, let's bead some sequins at the center front. Presto! Hanon's bodice is done! If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!